any skiing on this trip. It's day 13. Conditions aren't ideal. We had about almost 40 centimeters of snow in this last storm.
It's kind of a roller coaster ride, you know, going, I think the biggest challenge on a trip like this is just starting at one point and ending up somewhere completely different.
I probably should have trained for an entire year carrying a ginormous backpack. It's not the same. It's definitely a different level this trip.
So that was pretty hard to be feeling nauseous for several days in a row.
I was buried completely, minus my left hand, and it was probably one of the scariest moments of my life. I think with all the ice around here, it'd be a little bit cooler than this.
Show my